Accountants rejoice. Posting large amounts of orders using Webgility just got easier. With Webgility Online, you have the option to post orders as journal entries into QuickBooks Online. In contrast to transactional posting, which is generally recommended for businesses that require a high-touch order management approach in QuickBooks, journal entries forego the painstaking details of individual transaction mappings for equally financially accurate but simplified summaries of information that is directly entered into the accounts they affect. Setting up journal entries generally goes as follows. If you're switching from individual sales receipt posting, navigate to Settings, Accounting, Posting Method, and then select Summary as a Journal Entry, and save. This should add a menu for Account Mapping at the very top. Under the Sales tab, map your general accounts used to record the journal entries. For a walkthrough and definitions of these accounts, make sure to click the link in the description. Under Deposits and Fees, you'll want to map your deposit accounts. This is important, as it'll determine how the journal entries are created and group them by payment processor. And finally, you can also change your currency listed as well as your COGS accounts by going to Product COGS, or Cost of Goods Sold. For a full write-up of the journal entry posting process, click the link in the description, and find all of our videos and help articles at help.webgility.com. Thanks for watching.